He failed.
Oh, shit.
He flooded his engine.
Protest, stick to the left.
Yes.
Oh, dude, he must be having fun. Okay, this is where you actually do really slow down at. And there's our motorcycle buddy.
You got it?
He actually, no, he's in front of us.
I see his head, yeah. That's it.
Holy.
Oh my god.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Have you recorded it?
Yes.
What's up, YouTube?
Both on my quicks, so yeah, it'll go on YouTube as well.
Oh, shit on me.
Here we go. Little. Don't hydroplane.
No, I'm planning on it. Oh my god, I wonder what the women must be like. I'm gonna have to call them.
Yes.
The women.
I concur. I have to get my car still.
That is a choice.
We will have to take an alternate route. I don't think Graceline is safe anymore.
Sanders still alone. Don't take
Oh my god, that wall of water we saw was that.
Hey, what's up, dude? We're back.
Oh my god, it's up here
Again?
too. Yes, up here. No, you're good, don't worry. Everyone's able to actually know what they're doing, apparently.
Oh, I want to see this dude go through it.
Oh, I do too. It's going to be most excellent.
Hey, homie, you're going to be on YouTube.
Yes. Yo, check this shit out, man. Motorcycle hydroplaning.
Look at this way. I didn't think I was going to make it to the GameStop.
I don't think so either.
I got to leave. We got to get our shit and go.
I think we'll pass on this one.
What?
Yeah, oh my god.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I told you. Just do it. Oh, wow.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, wow, it sucks to be him, too. Holy shit.
God damn it. This guy sucks.
Man, he's so lucky he didn't
Look
get
at
wiped
the
out.
sidewalk.
I know. He's so lucky he didn't get wiped out by someone's splash. By their rooster tails. I mean, holy shit. Phone does not need to be watered.
Wait. Never mind.
Yes, dude, seriously. I did not need water for my phone.
Sorry, I didn't.
It's all coming down South Mountain.
My poor community.
Easy does it.
Yep, my brakes are clean now.
Well, if you can call
This
muddy
clean.
water clean, yeah, sure.
Wow, that much rain fucking come in while after we left.
Yes.
Crazy. I think we're good. Protest, stay away from all the intersections.
Nope, we're not good.
Why?
Look. Dude, it's all coming down South Mountain, dude. All the streets are flooded. Oh my god, the whole thing's flooded.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Keeping you out of shot, so.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa! Spillover!
Here's another one.
See, look, see the path? It's all coming down the mountain.
She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes home. She'll be coming down the mountain. Luckily for you guys, I live right here.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Whoa!
Oh, shit, dude. How are you gonna get to GameStop?
Yeah.
We got till 4 o'clock. I have to go up 16th Street. Whole thing's flooded. Alright.
Yes, you drive. I'm looking.
Oh, this should be interesting.
Why, it's a veritable orgy of bad planning. Oh, there goes the motorcycle guy.
He's
He's turning into the parking lot there.
Whee!
Rooster tails.
Good luck.
Yeah,
You're screwed.
yeah, you'll need it. Oh my god. Imagine not. Yeah, I think all your green belt areas are gonna be flooded. No, flooded down there.
Coming, because this is all on an angled community.
Yep. My wipers replaced. Windshield replaced. My wipers replaced.
It always doesn't look fast enough. Good luck, motherfucker.
Water. Oh wow. Seriously.
Oh, holy crap. Oh my god. I don't have to worry about watering it for a while.
Yeah. I knew your green belts would be flooded. Of course, better them be flooded than the rest of your streets, so.
Always cool.
Newsflash. Arizona, yet again, flooded.